welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Fein Power Tools VersaMAG L magnetic vise, which is a heavy-duty vise featuring a 6-inch jaw width and 6.25-inch jaw opening. The magnet system has a 3-position control, allowing fabricators to position it on any steel surface. Capable of producing 2,810 pounds of magnetic holding force depending on the thickness of the surface. Other features include a pull-out chip drawer, metric and imperial scales engraved on the jaws, adjustable link stops, removable bubble levels, and a hex and quick handle on lead screw for rapid adjustments. Next is Snap-on's PolarTek Pro AC Recycler, which is designed to help shops stay productive year-round. The powerful 2-stage vacuum pump supports deep, reliable refrigerant and moisture evacuations, while integrated nitrogen leak testing helps identify hard-to-find leaks. According to Snap-on, the extra-large filter dryer delivers up to 60% more service time between replacements. A faster, responsive touchscreen display and intuitive user interface simplifies operation and supports consistent, efficient R1234YF service in every season. Next is TOPDON Circuit Tester, which is designed to diagnose circuits across cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The tester features a clear digital voltage display with built-in loading test. It measures DC volts from 3.3 volts to 65 volts, allowing users to identify weak connections, voltage drops, and wiring faults. Additional features include a real-time digital display that offers plus or minus 0.1 volt accuracy from 3.3 to 60 volts, and plus or minus 0.2 volt from 60 to 65 volts. Dual color backlighting that identifies positive and negative polarity to prevent reverse connections, audio and visual alerts to provide feedback for high voltage, overheating, and reverse polarity, an additional tone to confirm circuit continuity, and a standard 4mm banana jack for quick switching between clips. Next is Forney Industries X Series 100 STX welder, which is a compact 120-volt stick and DC TIG welder that adds LCD and arc force controls to Forney's beginner stick platforms. With up to 85 amps of output and inverter power supply, it welds from 24 GA through 1/4-inch mild steel while staying light enough to carry around the shop. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the welder features adjustable arc force control to deliver the ability to fine-tune the arc for different electrodes. Additional features include a generator cable design that delivers remote welding capability, a carry strap for portability, and a 1-knob interface with expert set hot start. CAS certified to meet safety and performance standards. Our final tool is the Mac Tools half-inch drive interchangeable bar upgrade kit, which is designed to enhance toolkits with quick change functionality. Its push-button design allows for interchangeability between attachments. The kit includes a spring-loaded tie rod attachment, curved pry bar attachment, chain wrench attachment, and wrench extender attachment. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products pique your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured with our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.